This is a world exclusive that you're about to see right here in this truck. It is so exclusive that there are 3 bodyguards right now. One here, another one down there, and another one over here. For the first time, this car is going to come into the real world just for us to see right now. Guys, check this out. This is the BMW Vision M Next. Laser wire lights in the back. These are covered for better aerodynamics here in the back. This is how you open the door. Press this. And you've got i8 doors. This is recycled carbon fiber, and then when you get in, this BMW logo lights up to welcome you. You press this, and it shows you the first display. These are modes, driving modes. And then you press this here, and this display comes up. Look at this. This is heart rate display. So, when you hold your hands on the steering wheel, it's actually reading your heart rate. It's like being on an elliptical at the gym, right? So you've got the rev meter here, and then you've got the boost. Once this is ready, this will actually give you a boost from the electric motors. This is a gyroscopic cup holder, which means when you've got a drink in there, it's constantly shifting so the drink doesn't spill over into the cup. Now, as a world's exclusive right here, right now, we're gonna see this car drive